Hi, Regina here. I have a new presentation that I want to share my screen with you so you can see it here. I'm recording this in Zoom again. Here we go. Smart Business Online. And my website, main website is attitudepromotion.com. You can check it out, my products there if you like. And so it's really time for business online, right? And now I'm talking about freedom of choice. And as a woman, it is quite easy to only think about what others want of you, especially if you have children. But it's important that you find a balance, what you want to contribute with, and what you need yourself. It is each one of us own responsibility to find out what we want in our own life. So identify what makes you happy. And we often kind of find it quite easy to see what makes others happy and what they want. We kind of want to please other people, especially if you are a people pleaser. But make that analysis about your own life and yourself and block time for things that gives you energy. And you need to block money for it as well, because when you start out it will cost you money, of course, but what doesn't cost money? And below this picture I wrote identify what makes you happy. And perhaps you don't think I look so happy and so cheerful there, but it's I kind of have expectations on the future and things that I really want to accomplish. And that is inner sense of happiness as well, to be to feel that you have things that you want to achieve, goals you have in life, and you have a plan for it as well. And the next picture here is everyone has the freedom of choice, and some can get really kind of not everyone likes to hear this, but to some extent, and if you don't, you have to create it. Block time, money, and energy for your freedom of choice in your life. This is an investment in yourself. And to listen to yourself and to live your life according to your identity will make you happy. And that is the best gift that you can give both to yourself and to your loved ones as well. Because then you will feel kind of that you live a purposeful life and that you uh, do things in harmony and that you are true to yourself. That's so important. And talk about time management again, because I think that is so crucial. It's a great tool for you. So make a weekly schedule and block time for your me time. And make it something more than just getting a massage, get your hair done, or shopping. That's the classical thing for me time, right? Create something, your own lifestyle. Question 9 to 5 lifestyle, and don't get stuck in the old norm of visions of life and living it. To be stuck in old cultures. Try to create your own. Of course, it's depending on where you live. Of course, it is, but to some extent, you can really make a difference and create your own life. It's not written in stone. You can create it. And time management is so good for that, and also, as I said, do something more than just getting a massage or your hair done or shopping. That can make you feel good for the moment, but in the long run, it doesn't matter that much, right? And block time for your life. Your life. We're talking about your life here. To really block time for your life you want to live can really be like a transformation, and you will gain so much energy and joy, feeling that you can make a difference in your own life and in others too. There is only your imagination that is stopping you. So with the online era, there is so much opportunity that can be taken into the equation. So it's quite common to kind of question yourself in the beginning if you have what it takes. Or if you have been doing your thing for years and not made it to your end goal, don't give up. Don't throw all your work away. Honor the struggle. I love that phrase. That is a really good advice. Do that and find things that gives you joy, and you will get the energy back to continue. And look at all that could be accomplished instead of look what haven't been accomplished. So get the perspective of the horizon instead of just see what's stumbling you or stopping you right now. Push the goals ahead and blame the pandemic. So you let go of the guilt. You need to go of the guilt. You are doing the right thing. So keep up the good work. So the pandemic has really changed the circumstances for many people, and it's no wonder that many of the goals is not possible to reach at the moment. But you can do things online instead. You can prepare, you can be ready, and talk about the plan as well, because you can adjust your plan that you have, you know. So don't be afraid of transformation. Be afraid of being stuck in the past. That is not good. So prepare, get information, make the plan, act according to the plan, adjust the plan if necessary, like now, for instance, during the pandemic, and celebrate the goals along the way. Visualize your goals, cheer on yourself, cheer on your team. And as I said last time, and last presentation, involve your friends to celebrate as well. They will support you. It's easier for them to support you if they feel that they get involved and they can see your progress and the joy that you get out of this. I think that the pandemic really has kind of highlighted the importance of questioning our way of life, and that could be a good thing. To get another chance and to start fresh, even if we are in the middle of a pandemic, we can really do that. I like that. I often do that. I view things from different perspectives. Even if it's a negative circumstances, you can see, okay, what can I learn from this? I can make adjustments, and how will this help me, and how can I still reach my goals? It's a very good thing to do that. And it's not a long shot to get worried or to wonder what will happen. Of course, many do that. So, but put down your feelings into your dreams. So you kind of get your dreams to, and you can adjust your plan towards your goals. But when you really create something that gives so much to you, so you will get help to cope with your feelings of anxiety. So if you get creative and see what you can do to reach your goals in life, that will really give you meaning. Life. No one's world is perfect. So don't judge yourself for things you can't change. Be genuine, be human. You are unique. Be creative and choose what you want to show about your journey and involve people into it online. People would love to see what you're doing. Everyone is in a pandemic and they wonder, what are you doing? So show that and share that with your, so you share your journey, what you're doing. So when you start telling your story, it's kind of episodes. and they want to see the next episode. They're waiting for you to share more content about your journey, your story. This is kind of much the same in the last presentation, but I think it's so important that your self-confidence will grow during your journey. So if you feel tired, you can find energy and joy again. Rest, eat healthy, get fresh air, sleep 8 hours, and call your close ones in this lockdown so you don't feel too much alone. Loneliness can be coped with. Don't be too hard on yourself. Be compassionate toward yourself and others. That will help you to feel good about yourself. Good deeds makes you feel good about yourself, and then you will not, so you don't condemn yourself, because that is not a good thing. It will take away your energy and your joy. So be compassionate towards yourself. That's really important, and you will get back the self-confidence. Then there's also a correlation between that, to be compassionate. And freedom of choice. We were all we are brought up with expectations upon us. We carry it along within ourselves, and those expectations can cause a lot of guilt. And so try to identify what it is that is really taking your energy down, and switch into doing things that make you happy and gives you the energy. So here you have the freedom of choice to, if you really listen to yourself and identify what it is. So it can be like a transformation to be more the captain of your life, just reacting and following others all the time. Depending on your personality, you can be more of a leader, or you of your own life, and not just react and follow along. So there could be something that is you can learn to be more the leader in your life. So I really want to encourage you to create your own story, and your loved ones will love to be a part of your journey and be involved if they love you. You know, there is a generosity to have the possibility to do that as well. So you can say that this is really important to me. I would love to do this, and I love you to be part of my journey as well. And it will be much fun to have you with me on my journey, but this is something I want to do. And also make the time management, time budget, so you can say and show how much time this would take of your life. And that is a really good thing to say, I want to invest this part of my life into whatever you want to do. Communicate that with your close ones. So thank you again for listening, and share your story consistently. I'll leave your dreams daily. I really want to recommend you to do that. And I really enjoy this. So let's see if I can stop sharing. So have a nice evening. This was all from my bedroom in Stockholm. Bye.